NRC Gola bokcha patimuni kogno rugui Tripuri Khorang u kogno agebo kaham kaino suprubui sawi khnarkha tini Tripuri Khorang a kokno samare kubi soi no mani klaika bokta ai hingmani kokmke jeng bebagno sawi mano court ni simin thango high court ni simin thango supreme court piaba NRC ni kogno rugui supreme court ya u patimungno high court no khlai mano hnai Tripura high court supreme court ni case haino hai rohor jakpika tabuk Tripura high court NRC no tui tamo sanai jeng bebagno slai sawi mano tamni bagi NRC Gola bokcha kokhe abono Tripura sa Hastay Tripura wo minority tei wngkha hangke majority abni bagino u NRC barodha kuplung dal bidak khayo phano abo mukthangya Hastay Tripura wo khanadi tamsaka naraknai tango Tripuri Khorang.
Like Assam, Tripura also faces a huge problem of illegal immigration. In fact, the records would say that Tripura's issue of illegal immigration is much bigger than Assam. There was a time when in Tripura, the Tripura people, the original indigenous people, were almost 70 to 80% of the population. But as per the 2011 census, their population has reduced to below 30%. And the non-Tripuri people, their population has risen above 70%. So there is a definite influx of people from Bangladesh into Tripura and they have settled down there. So therefore the people of Tripura have become minorities in their own state. So taking into consideration all these issues, we had approached the Supreme Court by filing a writ petition under Article 32. In 2018, notice was issued in the matter. Today, the matter came up before a bench of Honorable Justice Bela M. Trivedi and Honorable Mr. Justice P. Varale. Basically, we were praying, that basic prayer was that, like Assam, an NRC should also be drawn up in Tripura, so that at least the process of detecting the illegal immigrants and subsequently their deportation process can be started. We also raised the issue of border fencing and all other allied issues. Today the matter was heard finally, but it was not a very extensive hearing. The bench opined that the reliefs that we seek from the Supreme Court can also be granted by the Tripura High Court. So after a brief exchange of ideas and arguments, the bench finally decided that the matter should go back to the Tripura High Court. So accordingly, the petitioners were given the liberty to move afresh, to file a fresh petition in the Tripura High Court seeking the same relief. So having given that liberty, if my clients decide to move the Tripura High Court, then we have to file a fresh petition and we will await the judgment of the Tripura High Court on the issues that we have raised. If for any reason the High Court decides against the relief that we will be praying, then certainly the road again back to the Supreme Court will be open. So therefore, all in all, what I may tell you, the conclusion is that the bench, after hearing us, decided that we may better approach the Tripura High Court by filing a fresh petition, seeking the same relief and await the judgment of the Tripura High Court. And thereafter, as advisable, we will take further steps.